Hi friends! Welcome to Mimi's Playtime. I'm Mimi and this is Gabi, and today we have a really cool gluten-free fruity Santa pancake. So if that sounds yummy and interesting to you, stick around and we'll show you exactly how to make it. To make about 6 fruity Santa pancakes, you will need half a cup of oatmeal, 3 eggs, 2 bananas and a pinch of cinnamon to taste. Now we have the ingredients ready, we're going to put everything we need into the blender. Okay, so we've blended all the ingredients and now we're ready to cook our pancakes. Okay, so we have cooked our pancake. Now it's the exciting part. And Gabi's going to help us to decorate. So in order to decorate your pancake to look like Santa Claus, you're going to need a few things. Fruit, because it's fruity Santa Claus. So you're going to need some raspberries, or if you don't have raspberries, you can use canned fruits like canned cherries. Also some sliced bananas, some dried cranberries, and some whipped cream. So now we're going to decorate and show you what it looks like. We've made our fruity Santa pancakes. Wasn't that fun, Gabi? We're really excited to be able to eat these. I think they're going to taste really yummy. And if you'd like to make some Santa pancakes for Christmas, just go and ask a grown-up to help you, and look in the description box below for all the ingredients and the instructions. We thank you for watching our video today, and if you'd like to watch more videos like this one, we would love for you to give us a thumbs up. We also invite you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button over here, and we would love it if you would share this video with your family and friends. From all of us here at Mimi's Playtime, we wish you a very Merry Christmas, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Mimi's Playtime, where learning is always an adventure. Bye!